Hey Corbin, it's Mrs. Six. So I'm gonna take you back to so I'm logged in as you right now. See up at the top it says I'm impersonating you. So basically you should see the same thing that I did. So all I did was I went into your unread discussions. You could also go through like the content in that lesson, but easy way to get there is through the discussion um, link there. So it's right here. So if you look, if you scroll down and click right there, it opens it up for you. So you're right here. So if you look, um, there's two parts of this. The first part is you have to take your 4.05 and load it to the discussion board. So basically, you would just start a new thread and then you would enter, copy and paste whatever your article was for 4.05 and you put it in there and hit post. So that's part of the assignment. The other part of the assignment is I'm looking for one who has quite a bit replies. So let's look at this one. So Dawn Sutton, so she wrote this article. So the other part of the assignment is you have to be like her editor, basically. So there's four different areas that you're editing. One is copy editor. So this is what other students have written. Obviously, you're writing your own information and you're not copying off of what someone else has done. But so like Zoe, someone's already done copy editor for her. So you wouldn't want to obviously do copy editor. So someone did a ombudsman for her, assignment editor, and then so she's missing one. So she had three of the editing. I'm trying to think what the best word for it would be. Like three of the editing jobs. Um, she had three of those done for her. So technically, there's a fourth one that you would be able to add if you would like to. But if we go back to, I'm going to take you, oops, let's go here. Okay, so if I go back to, um, ah, hold on, I'm going to pause this really quick. Okay, sorry about that. I wasn't sure what was going on. So I just went back to like the main page. So here's the actual peer review checklist that you're going to need. So when you open that up, you will have, and it's going to pop over on another page, but you're going to have like four jobs basically that you need to do. What I would have preferred is that you guys edited four separate people. However, this assignment was already due, so most of the people have already turned theirs in. However, it will be beneficial for you to do this just so you can see it all is involved with producing a news article. So you have the assignment editor, the visual design layout, the ombudsman, and a copy editor. So basically, what your job is you can pick four separate people, or you can pick one person, and you can do all four of these for one person. At this point, that's fine. Originally, I wanted you guys to do them separate. So, like for example, um, no one has done Alani's yet. So when I look at Alani's, so I would click on hers and I would read her article that she's written, and then I would edit her article on these different things. So what that means is you're going to have actually five not Dropbox, discussion board submissions. So you are going to have your article, and then you're also going to have the assignment editor, visual design, copy editor, and then the ombudsman. So you're going to do that. There are instructional videos on how to do this that's more specific and more clear. But I just wanted to kind of touch base on that so you knew exactly what you're doing. So basically, you putting in your article is only worth 1/5 of your grade for this assignment. This is a fifth, this is a fifth, this is a fifth, and this is a fifth. And what's really important is you cannot do this. So let's say, let's look really quick here. So let's say, see if it'll let me go back to the topic really quick, hopefully. Ta-da. Yeah. So let's say if you look at Amelia, if you look at hers, Marley already did her ombudsman. You cannot do ombudsman for her. Someone did visual design layout for her. Now you could do copy editor. No one did copy editor for her, and no one did assignment editor. So if you want to do those for her, you can. So basically, you're allowed to pick any person who's submitted an article and you can edit for them or you can do, those jobs or whatever. So hopefully that helps you. You should be able to get in. I'm able to get in as you and I can type and do all of that stuff. I think maybe when we were on that discussion list, I think you were trying to get in here and you needed to just come down here and click on this. Okay. So if you have any questions, please let me